Hello, YouTube users. This video is to hopefully, since I haven't seen a video about it, I feel it's time for one finally get made. So a lot of people have been experiencing an issue regarding the Final Fantasy Dissidia Omnia game, where we attempt to log in, but it doesn't matter if we create a new account or if we try to access the one that we already have, this issue pops up. Game data has been updated. You will be returned to the title screen, along with an error code. Now we can clear cache as many times as we want. It doesn't fix the issue. We've tried uninstall, reinstall 10 times over. It does not work. And here I have an account that is already with the game. Which I can get working just fine on BlueStacks, but I can't get it to work on this mobile phone. We'll just do the other one. Be faster. And there you have it. Game data has been updated. You'll be returned to the title screen, blah blah blah. And what's funny is, it's trying to update. When we let this screen go past, you can actually see for a brief moment that the update is there, waiting to happen. It just doesn't happen because the game kicks you out before you can. And even if we try to create a new account, it doesn't even try to update. So something's wrong with the updater. And what's funny is I can get this to work on BlueStacks. I cannot get it to work on a mobile phone though. And it's making me wish I had my old phone because apparently that one works. And after checking an in-game message, apparently they're aware of the issue but have not found a solution. So this is to show what the issue is, basically. So, yeah, what are we gonna do about this, Enix? A lot of players are currently locked out of the game. And it's not just people in the beta. It's also a lot of other people. We don't know what the conflict is, why the game will not update properly. I've went through my settings, pretty much have every possible thing that you could possibly have enabled. And I've tried every possible internet source. Nothing is working. So, you know, I'd like to be able to play this game on something other than my computer. Because it's meant to be played on a mobile phone. And I'm not the only one with this issue. As far as I understand, there are at least plenty of posts on the Play Store itself about the issue. We can just scroll down to the comments, if possible. Ah, shit. Well, you're not going to find the comments on the mobile store, but if we go to the Play Store online... Now, let's take a look at some comments. So here we have it. Kept saying a new version needed to be downloaded even after I updated it. And yeah. Everyone, I'm not the only one having this issue, which is annoying. Now, like I said, BlueStacks, the game works. What? Okay. Of course. Now see, on BlueStacks, it works just fine. I wish I could run BlueStacks on this phone, but apparently they don't have a mobile version. And right now, this is the only way for me to run the game. Don't do that shit. Alright, so transfer the game bound, blah blah. While I enter this info. And Oh, this is taking forever. Why do they make this so slow? And see, this is the first part, which gets downloaded properly on a new account. When we get to the second download, it's when issues arise. But for BlueStacks, it just goes ahead and download the next thing straight away. Stop that. And there she be. My lovely account. Interesting. Get out of my way. Alright, so there's my account. Rank 342. But I mean, I have put a lot of effort into this account. I've got several burst weapons, working through the world of illusions, all that stuff. So, I mean, you know, the game works just fine here. And at one point in time, unfortunately, it's no longer available, I think. Yeah, it's too far down. But basically, at some point in time, they addressed the issue, but it's never been found. As you can see, what they have addressed is nothing related to the issue that mobile users are experiencing. Oh, stop it. So yeah, they're addressing other things, but they're not addressing the thing that is stopping players from playing the game outright. So this is pretty much the only way I have to play the game until Square Enix devises a solution. So, I have to ask, Square Enix, what's going on? What's taking so long to discover a potential fix? Personally, if you want my honest opinion, you either get rid of that stupid game data has been updated message, so we can just update the game as we should. Because apparently there's a conflict. Or at the very least, hey, maybe not making it kick us back to the title screen. And instead, at least attempt the update. Anyway. Instead of just kicking us back to the title screen. Might be useful, you know? But hey, you know, I'm fixing to take a Texas trip, and I'd sure love to be able to access this game. Can't exactly do that if your game data needs to be updated when it's clearly just a conflict. Find a solution, please.